Good morning, KCI. We are doing a new writing unit today. I'm all set. Can you guess where we're going in our story? What do you think? Where would you wear sunglasses to? Can you guess? We are writing a story about going to the beach. So this is called a storytelling unit, and it's all about telling a story. So in our case, stories can be true or made up. We are going to write something called a narrative. So it is a story about your own life. And I'm going to show you how we can plan our stories to get them started. So I'm going to show you both activities that you're going to do today and tomorrow. But today you're just going to do your story outline. And tomorrow is where you would write your story. So the first thing we're going to do is use a graphic organizer. So a graphic organizer is something to help you get all of your ideas down before you write a story. So this is the paper that you are going to fill out. The first thing you're going to do is put your name, and then you're going to plan out your story. So the first thing it says is characters. Characters are who or what is in the story, because sometimes you can have animals too. And in my case, since we are going to write a story about going to the beach, in my story it was me, so I'm going to write Mrs. Chili. And my cousin Danielle loves to go to the beach with me, so it's going to be Mrs. Chili and Danielle. Danielle is also a teacher. She teaches second grade, not in Ho-Ho-Kus, obviously, but we are both teachers, and we went to the beach one day in the summer. So the setting, where does my story take place? Well, all of us are going to have the same setting since we're all writing a story about the beach. So you would write the beach. Problem. So in every story, there's some type of problem. It doesn't have to be a huge problem, but we want to think about, what was kind of tricky at that day at the beach? What happened that may have been a problem that you quickly solved? Well, I know a problem. It was so hot that day. It was so hot. So I'm going to write, it was a very hot day at the beach. Period. And then it has a beginning, middle, and end. We don't have to write anything in these boxes. You can quickly sketch your idea. But remember, we want to make sure our problem is part of that story. The problem is usually going to be in the middle of your story, but it could always be at the beginning or end depending on what you write about. So let's think about my story if I'm going to the beach. The beginning of my story is we drove to the beach. So I'm going to draw just a quick car. And here is Mrs. Chili driving to the beach. Here is my cousin Danielle. And this is just to give me a plan. It's just to remind me of how my story goes. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a quick sketch, doesn't even have to be colored. Okay, so the beginning of my story is we drove to the beach. The middle of the story was my problem. It was so hot that day. So here's Mrs. Chili. And I'm saying, so hot. And here's the sun, because it's a very hot day. We're at the beach. The waves are behind me. Okay, so now the end of the story is usually how your problem is solved. So let's think. There's a lot of ways that you can solve this problem. Can you think of some ways that we can solve the problem that it was so hot at the beach? What do you think you do at the beach to cool off? I know what we did. We decided to go in the water, and it solved our problem perfectly. So I'm going to draw my cousin Danielle and I in the water. Okay, so that is what you're going to do today. You're just planning your story out. You're writing your characters, the setting, where the story takes place, the problem of your story, and the beginning, middle, and end in a quick sketch. Tomorrow is where you would then put all of those things together and write your story. So it says story title. Oh, let's not forget the name. I'm going to put Mrs. Julie again. Story title. Well, if my story is about the beach, I'm not going to say my day at the circus. That would be silly. I'm not going to say kindergarten is so much fun. It is really fun, but it's not about my story. My story is about the beach. So my title is going to be a day at the beach. Beginning. Okay, so where would I get my idea for what happened to the beginning of my story? I remember, I'm going to look at my picture. Oh, in the beginning of my story, I drove to the beach with my cousin. So I'm going to say, remember our fancy transition words. First, I drove to the beach with my cousin Danielle. I also include the characters during the beginning of my story, and I included the setting too. First, I drove to the beach with my cousin Danielle. We were so excited. And I think the dogs are excited too. And we're back. Mrs. Chili had to tell the dogs to stop barking. That's what happens when you are working at home. All right, the middle of our story. This is our problem. So let's look back at my drawing. In the middle of my story, I was saying it was so hot out. So then I'm going to say, then when we got to the beach, it was so hot. Our skin felt like it was burning. You know when you're in the sun for so long and the sun's beating down on you, it just feels like your skin is just burning and you hope you don't get a sunburn? So that's what we were feeling like because it was so hot out. So now the end is how my problem is solved. Let's look at my end. Danielle and I are in the water to cool off. So we're going to say last, we ran into the water to cool off. And then I'll say, it worked. And that's the end of my story. I introduced what happened, I explained my problem, and then we solved the problem. And then here on the bottom is where you would draw a picture that best summarizes your story. So what that means is, what was the most important part of your story? Well, we were at the beach, and I think the most important part was kind of how we solved our problem, and it's us playing in the water. So I'm going to draw a nice picture of my cousin and I in the water, cooling off. And this is where I would use a little more colors, a little more crayons, a little more detail, but I'm going to stop here for now so I can just explain the directions one more time. So today, you're just doing your story outline. You're planning out your story about going to the beach. Maybe your problem was the same as mine. Maybe it was different. But you're going to have your characters, the setting, and the problem of your day at the beach. And then tomorrow is where you put all of those ideas together and make it into a story. Okay, so I can't wait to see how your story turns out. Happy writing!